Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, this time about action figure photography. Usually I do my photography here with the different dioramas that I made myself, or like this one by Cult Creations. And but as you'll know if you follow this channel, I also like to go outside and find cool places where you can do some stuff with your figures. And today I'm going to two places where I haven't been before, and then we'll see how that turns out. So now I'm going to pack up a few figures and then let's go. So we'll begin here with this underground World War II facility, which is open to the public. And well, we'll see if I can get a few shots from in here. Here we have an old engine from a shot down airplane. Pretty cool. I have brought a World War robot, the Plume figure, with me down here, trying to make some kind of war type shot here. But I can't really find a good spot actually. Oh, there we have another exit. Well, I'll try to make a few shots here and then we'll see how it turns out. Well, hopefully I got something useful here. The types of shots that I took here is basically where I just put the figure up in front of me and then try to make a perspective that looks where the figure is in the correct size. But I don't know yet if it works. We'll see. So let's go up into daylight again and proceed to the next location. Well, now we are approaching the second destination, deep inside a forest here. I don't really know if I can find it, but so far I'll just follow this road here and see where it ends. Well, I found it. This is an old abandoned sawmill. Nothing really going on here. I was hoping to find a few spots to take some kind of horror shots. I brought a Jason figure, for example, here. Could be a good background. I don't know. I think I'm going to look around a bit and then see if I can get something. Yeah, old stuff here. Oh, a little creepy shed. Maybe this was the kind of place where Leatherface would hang out. An old car here. I ain't doing much posing here. I'm just trying to get a shot with this background. Trying to make the perspective look okay. I don't have so much time, I guess. But, well, it's still a pretty cool place. So, time to go home now. Let's leave this place. Haven't been here before. I don't know if I'm going to go here again because there are no real spots where you can position the figures and get a great background. You have to, well, more or less hold the figure up in front of the camera and then try to get a good background. But, well, we'll see when we get home how the shots turned out. And here I am back again, and Leatherface and Jason are back on their horror shelf, and the same goes for the World War robot, the Plume. So I'm going to put a few of the shots in this video here, and I'm not going to do much editing, but we'll see how it turns out. And if you want to check out further shots, go ahead and check out my Instagram. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.